आईएनएस सावित्री खिदिरपुर बंदरगाह पहुंचा। देश भर में 4 दिसंबर को भारतीय नौसेना दिवस मनाया जाता है। नौसेना दिवस से पहले भारतीय नौसेना का युद्धपोत आईएनएस सावित्री खिदिरपुर बंदरगाह पर पहुंचा। युद्धपोत 26 नवंबर तक खिदिरपुर बंदरगाह पर रहेगा। मुंबई के मजगांव डॉक्स लिमिटेड में निर्मित यह युद्धपोत 7 जून 1990 को नौसेना में शामिल हुआ है। आईएनएस सावित्री भारत का स्वदेशी जहाज निर्माण क्षमताओं का एक चमकदार उदाहरण है। 15 नॉट 30 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा की शीर्ष गति के साथ जहाज में कुछ अत्याधुनिक विशेषताएं हैं, जैसे 40x60 बोफोर्स तोपें और चेतक हेलीकॉप्टरों को संचालित करने में सक्षम है। कमांडर विजय झा के नेतृत्व में यह जहाज तटीय और समुद्री सुरक्षा में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है।
At the outset, let me welcome all of you on board INS Savitri. As you all are aware that 4th December is celebrated as Navy Day every year to commemorate the audacious act of Indian Navy in which the missile vessel squadrons of Indian Navy carried out attack on Karachi on 3rd and 4th of night December 1971, which resulted in destruction of several merchant as well as Pakistani naval ships. It also resulted in Kiamari oil fields of Karachi setting ablaze, because of which the war waging capability of Pakistan was diminished. And as you all are aware, East Pakistan lost completely and there was a new country which was made out of it. There are a lot of events that we have for Navy Week, and one of the significant event is visit of a Indian naval warship to Kolkata. INS Savitri is here for 3 days and will be open for visitors. And I would urge all the citizens of Kolkata and West Bengal, the students, the NCC cadets and SCC to come and visit the ship and see how Indian Navy works and what are the roles of the Indian Navy. Thank you.
INS Savitri, we have come alongside yesterday evening to the city of Kolkata. We are under Eastern Naval Command, part of Eastern Fleet, and the ship is based at Visakhapatnam. This is a moment of proud privilege and honor for the ship to be here at Kolkata and be open for visitors. We are here in this port for next 3 days, and we welcome all the citizens of Calcutta to come, have a look at the ship and feel proud of the country. I am also honored to inform you that the ship is indigenously built and is 34-year-old into commission and has done yeoman service to the Navy.